Jainam Shah this side, and today we are going to start with one another workflow. And over here, if you guys are aware, I guess you guys are aware, right? So, about this thing, which is my YouTube channel, right? So, I make videos for anything tutorials. Now, every now and then, I have to make this kind of thumbnails for my YouTube video. And what if we can automate that? So this automation I am thinking about, right? And that's the reason we are trying to make a automated thumbnail editor, right? So over here, okay, so I have one sheet over here which I have uploaded. Over here, if you guys are going to see, this is the topic names and this is the description. Description as in like what exactly we are going to do in this workflow. That is what is mentioned over here. And then there is one thing which is status. And once this video is going to once this thumbnail is going to be uploaded on my Google Drive, so I would be showing you guys that as well. So let's check this, and we can change this tab, and over here there is this drive in which there is one folder. We would be clicking home. So if you guys are able to see, okay, not over here, my drive would be the place. Over here there is YouTube thumbnails. Right now probably this is empty. Okay, so we are going to delete this first, right? Which means this is empty over here. So what automation is going to do, it is going to fetch all these topics and descriptions every day, and it is going to look for the status, right? If status is not done, then only it is going to retrieve, or else there is no sense of retrieving or fetching those data, right? So this is what we are going to go with the first step. Also, right now I'm going over here with manual trigger, but we would be adding one schedule trigger over here. Schedule trigger would be somewhere over here. Okay, let me delete this, then probably we would able to find this. Yeah, on a schedule, which means on daily basis at some particular time, let's suppose at the morning 5 a.m. or at evening 5 p.m., whatever you are comfortable with, this workflow is going to start and it is going to get executed, right? Right now for testing purpose we are going to go with trigger manually. I'm going to minimize this little bit. We are going to drag this over here. Now once I'm going to click this, it is going to get executed. And from here, if once this node is going to get executed, we are going to extract, or we are going to fetch out the data from my sheet. So we are going to type sheet over here. If you're going to see, this is the Google sheet. Over here we are going to go for get rows. Yeah, so this is the one, right? Also, if you don't know how to set this credentials, I have shown this many times. You guys can visit my previous videos. Still, if you have any query in this, you can just mention this in the chat box, I mean comment section, and I will make one video again for this, right? It's very easy. Apart from this, over here we are going to choose the list. So we would be going for okay, this is N10 video making, right? This is what the name of the sheet is, so that's what we are going to choose, right? Over here sheet 1 we are going to choose, as there is only one in one sheet, right? No like brainer for this. Apart from this, filters, if we want to add over here, so I want only those datas in which I have this no not done. So over here we would be choosing status, and status should equals to not done. Then only we will fetch this data, right? So once we are going to execute this, I would be showing one more thing over here. If you're going to go over your table, you would be finding that all the data we are getting over here, this is not what we want. We want only the first data. So over here you're going to come, you're going to click add options, return only first matching row. This is what we are going to click, and we are going to enable this. We are going to execute this one more time, and probably yeah, now we are just going to get the first thing, right? Acha, once this workflow is going to get executed, we are going to change the status to done. which means next day it is going to go for this, then next day it is going to go for this, and so on, right? I guess this is clear. First day it is going to go for this, it is going to be done, then this, then this, then this, and so on, right? Very easy. Now now after this we are going to take a brain, right? So we are going to go with AI. We can directly go with Gemini as well, but I guess there is some issue with my Gemini, so I am going with AI nodes over here. Sorry, so we are going to go with the AI itself. Okay, AI agent we are going to choose, right? Over here, if you are going to see, this is where we are going to define what we want to send to our AI node, right? So over here we are going to write topic of video, right? Dash. We're going to simply drag this, and this is the beauty of an NN, and we can drag and drop everything. There is no need of coding, learning of code, right? Second, we're going to write the description of the video. So over here we are going to go with description. Description, I guess spelling is correct, yeah, fine, of video, fine. So this is what we are going to sign, and we are going to again drag this thing over here, right? Basically we are describing what this workflow is going to do. So that's what we are dragging over here, so that our this AI node would able to generate a good uh, amount of prompt. So I would be telling you, just a second, fine. Apart from this, over here we are going to add option, we are going to go with a system message. So this is where we are going to tell this AI what this what AI this AI has to do, right? What he is supposed to do. I don't know whether he she what should come, but anyways, so uh, so this is where I have wrote setting up to multi-agent to build. Okay, so these are, sorry, these are the, these are not needed right now, these are the topic names. This is what we wanted, right? And we are going to copy all this. So what we have done over here, I have already wrote the system message. Again, from where you are going to get the system message and all, you can simply ask your okay, just a second, you can simply ask your Gemini to write down this for you, and I have copied this. I guess we would able to paste this, and we are not able to pay. Okay, let's zoom this so that I would be getting a better idea. I guess we aren't able to zoom this as well. Okay, fine, fine. So there is a lot of extra space over here. What we can do, we can copy this all, we can delete this, fine, and we are going to paste this again. I guess this time this is perfect. So you are a graphic designers, thumbnail, fine. So this should work, right? So let's give a brain to this AI. So I'm just deleting this extra space, right? Again, over here now we are going to connect this with the brain itself. So brain we are going to give, I can test with Gemini once. Let's see whether we are getting any output over here. Initially it was making some troubles, so let me check. I guess so. There should be no trouble this time. Yeah, same thing, that there are too many services or services unable or something. So I guess we can change this once and we can try this once more time, or else I'm going to go with ChatGPT then. Fine, which means this is not working right now. Anyways, so we are going to go with OpenAI, right? So this is what we are going to choose. We're going to go with 4.1 mini and only. This is the best, I guess, for this purpose. We're going to execute this, and finally we are going to get one message in which in which if we're going to, let me pin this first. Yeah, so if you're going to see over here, it is describing how the thumbnail should look like, right? So the same thing we're going to pass to our Delhi. So we can go again with open AI, and we can go with generate an image, right? So we are going to choose over here Dell E3 only, right? I don't know whether you guys are getting what I'm pronouncing, but this is the model which we are going to choose, right? Apart from this, this is what we are going to drag over here, and we are going to get one. If we are going to execute this, we are going to get one image over here. I guess, see, this is not what exactly I want thumbnail, but see, if you want a better thumbnail, so you have to describe that better in this prompt, which is system message, and you're going to get a better. But I guess so for this tutorial purpose, this would work fine enough, right? Acha, once we are going to get this image out of this, we are going to upload this. Okay, just a second, there is some internet issue. Just a second. Okay, yeah, so there is some internet issue. Let me check whether we are able to resolve this. Yeah, so it is corrected, I guess. Now, fine. So this should work. Anyways, once this file is going to be uploaded, it is taking some more time. So once this is going to get once this is going to be generated, we are going to upload this on our drive. So we are going to go for drive. Over here, we are going to go with upload a file, right? Okay. Over here, we are going to keep this data only because the name of this file would be data itself. So we are not changing this, right? Also, it would be a binary file, so again, it won't be a trouble for us. File upload. Okay. Okay, what would be the name of this file? So this we would be getting, I guess this is taking too much time. We can stop this, and I guess we have received something over here. Yeah, fine. I guess it is taking too much time. Fine. So this works, I guess. Fine. This is not what exactly I wanted, but I guess this is working. So it is coming exactly whatever this thing is there, right? Translucent, neon, holographic. So that's what we are seeing over here. Fine. So I guess, right? So the same thing uh, we would be uploading over here. Okay. So what would be the name of this? So what I'm thinking that we are going to keep the name as same as over here in get rows, whatever the name of the topic is. So this is what we are going to pass over here, which means the name of this would be calendar agent itself, right? Apart from this we are going to save in my drive. uh, Apart from this, in which folder we are going to go with, it would be YouTube thumbnails, right? So yeah, apart from this, I don't think so there is need of anything else. We would be executing this. We would be getting one like bunch of gibberish thing over here which we won't able to understand, but I guess I will try to make some sense of that. Anyways, yeah, so this is executed again, I guess. Now we would able to see this. I guess this time it might have given us so this time this is good enough. Anyways, we would able to see this same thing in our drive as well, right? Now if you're going to see, once this drive is executed, you would be seeing this much amount of gibberish thing which we don't care about. So after this, whatever link of this drive is, that also I would be uploading. Also, if you're going to see over here in drive, you would be seeing calendar agent, and over here if you're going to click the same thumbnail, you're going to get, I guess it's taking too much time to, yeah. See, now this is better compared to what we have seen initially. So this is our calendar agent thumbnail. Anyways, so this looks cool, I guess. Anyways, so once this is uploaded, we are going to change our sheet. So update our sheet. I mean, we would be choosing sheet over here. We would be going for Google Sheets, and over here we are going to go with append or update row, right? Over here we are going to go with the same sheet, which is an attend video making thing. We would be going with the sheet 1 again, and we are going to go with the map each column manually, right? Also, like this node shows that like what it is going to match with, which means if you're going to see our sheet, yeah, this is the sheet. So let's suppose, how would this agent know, or how would this automation would know that we have to change or update this calendar thing? So if I'm going to choose topic over there, so it is going to see if it is calendar agent, then it is going to change all the stuff over here. If it is HTTP request, then all the things would be changed over this row. Yeah. So over here we are going to choose with topic. You can also go with description as well, right? So this is what it is going to match. And over here we are going to simply drag this topic over here. Rest, I guess I'm going to delete. Status, we are going to update to done, right? Link, guys, this is the trickiest thing. Now if you're going to see link over here, this view link we are going to pass. If you're going to pass this content link, which means it is going to get downloaded on its own, we won't able to view it. So this is what we are going to send over here, and we are going to execute this one more time, and we would be, yeah, we would be getting, see, this is done, and this is where we are getting this link. So you can open this. Now I haven't shared that downloaded link thing. One more thing, over here you can go for download image, and you can send that link. If that link is going to get clicked, the image is going to get downloaded on its own. But what I was thinking, even over here, and you can go and you can click this download button and you can download this. So it's not a big deal. So I kept this simple. So I guess this was fine, right? I would be executing this HTTP request also, right? And so see, if I'm going to execute this one more time, now it is going to go with HTTP request. We are going to append this first, or else same data is going to go. Yeah. So if we're going to execute this time, it is going to go with, if you're going to see over here, it is going with HTTP request this time. Fine. So this is the thing which is going to go to our generate an image thing. I guess we have to wait a little bit. This node is going to take a good amount of time, right? As image is being generated. So image is generated, it is being uploaded, and our sheet is being updated over here. So let's check our sheet. It has been updated. You can choose this, you can open this, and we would able to see the image over here. HTTP request thing, right? I guess see, everywhere we are getting this hand, but that's what I'm saying. If you want a better image or something, you can just prompt this in a better way. The system message you can uh, prompt in a better way, right? And see, every time you are going to see create a highly detailed futuristic 3D holographic visualization of an attend workflow. So this is futuristic 3D holographic and all. So it is always going to give the same kind of a feature. So basically I have to change the system message over here, and everything is going to be fine, right? I guess if you want, we can execute one more, but I guess there is no details over here. So this would be fine. We would be seeing over here as well. If you're going to see my, I would be opening this drive again, my drive, and I guess there should be two thumbnails right now. So see, this is the calendar agent and this is the HTTP request thing. Fine. So I guess this is clear to everyone. Let's meet in another video. If you guys have any doubt, you can write down in comment box. I will try my level best to resolve them. Fine.